Hey pizza lovers, Leo here from Rick's Review Hub. Get ready to bring restaurant quality pizza to your kitchen with the Ooni Volt 12 electric pizza oven. Curious if this indoor-outdoor oven is your ticket to perfect pies? Stick around and check the Amazon link in the description for the best deal. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about features. The Ooni Volt 12 is a 1,600 watt electric oven that hits a scorching 850 degrees in just 20 minutes, cooking 12-inch Neapolitan-style pizzas in 90 seconds. It has dual heating elements, top and bottom, for precise heat control, with 3 dials for temperature, timer, and heat balance. The 13-inch cordierite stone ensures crispy crusts, and the triple-paned glass door with an interior light lets you watch your pizza bake. Its powder-coated carbon steel shell is weather-resistant, making it great for indoor or outdoor use, and built-in handles make it easy to move despite its 39-pound weight. Now the pros. This oven is a pizza game changer. I made a margarita pizza with perfect char and leoparding in under 2 minutes. The controls are super intuitive. Set the temp, tweak the heat balance, and you're good. The boost mode keeps the stone hot between pies, so every pizza is as good as the first. It's versatile, handling New York style or thicker crusts with ease, and the insulation keeps the exterior cool, safe for kitchen counters. Cleanup's a breeze. Just wipe the stone and glass, but there are cons. At $1,000, it's a big investment, pricier than Ooni's gas or wood models. The 12-inch size limits you to smaller pies, and you'll need to buy a pizza peel separately. Indoors, excess flour can cause smoke, so good ventilation is a must. Some users report condensation inside, which could be a concern for electronics, though Ooni says it's normal. I recommend the Ooni Volt 12 for pizza enthusiasts who want pro-level results year-round, indoors or out. It's ideal for apartments or climates where outdoor cooking isn't always an option. If you prefer wood-fired flavor or need a bigger oven, check Ooni's Coda or Karoo instead. But for ease and quality, this one's tough to beat. Ready to make epic pizza? Click the link in the description to grab the Ooni Volt 12 on Amazon for the best pricing and special promotions through Rick's Review Hub. Your support keeps these reviews coming. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen gear reviews. Thanks for watching. Let's keep the pizza party going.